take my eyes off of you.
Hello guys, so for today's video, I will show you what is my daily routine. When we arrived at home, we are discussing what to eat for dinner. At first, we just want to eat noodles at Kuya Richard Silogan, located at Plaza Santa in a street beside Barangay Hall and Church. I ordered this heavy-duty padlock on Lazada. Wow.
Kuya Chad Sillig Meals is closed. I forgot he's not opening his store every Sunday. So we decided to eat at Plank House located at the Francisco Street.
Ay, sarap. Wala, no choice. Ano pa rin tayo? Sarado ang plate house.
Oh, kawawi ka naman.
Good.
Where we always having dinner.
Gusto mo? Try natin? Sa ibang kainan?
Pwede. Saan ba? Doon na labo. Try natin
Saan?
doon.
We saw this place, so we want to look inside what they have.
Diyan mo lang sa side.
They just served pasta and unli wings.
Saan doon?
No to pasta and chicken for tonight. Because I'm craving for something that only served in rainy days. Here we are again at Mo Marks. Every night, Mo Marks. They are open till 10 p.m.
And now for the best bit.
Not so crowded. Kudos to their staff, very polite and friendly. They are always smiling. They not seem tired even though they served so much people. Every time.
Ay.
A few moments later.
Ang likod mo. Oh, may van.
Ayun o.
Para ko ang aki yan.
Para ko ang happy.
Yeah. Okay. Here we are. Oh, dali naman na.
Home sweet home.
My every night thing.
Let's just continue what we started. So that sooner we can see the sacrifices we produced by earning it through motivation. Trust the process. I know it's hard, but it's worth waiting for. I started vlogging as hobby just to keep memories through video. By then I realized I am happy doing this, even sometimes I feel shy showing to cameras. I want to travel, so this vlog became my throwback files. When I forgot everything what just had happened back there. So if you want to keep memories to anybody, or to places or foods that you tried, capturing every glimpse of your life is not bad, you just need some edit. We all know that we are not getting any younger. So that this is the idea I have decided to do, capturing every details of my life with my partner. Vlogging is not bad idea unless you destroyed somebody's future or life for your intentional purposes. Start from scratch. Do this as your hobby, not your job.
Everyone are busy in their lives. But if you do the vlogging as your part-time happiness, I promise it's worth it. With or without subscribers, you will be happy seeing yourself doing the things you liked. I will not lie. I started this because I want to earn money from it. But later on I found myself happy doing this. So I am not into anything right now. I'm doing this because I found my inner child here doing the things I thought I could have done. I am enjoying going out with my partner. Go wherever we want through the content of our hearts. Eat the foods we liked, even we grew bigger and bigger. Life is not healthy as you thought. You just need to earn money and treat yourself. Everyone's had their own ending. So let's spoil every moment to become even more happier as we could. But of course you need to work to earn the money you needed. For
are traveling, eating the foods you crave. We all know without money we can't do anything, even buy our foods to eat 3 times a day.
Many hours later. Soon after. A few moments later.
Thanks for watching.